Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing awesome, and if you're here the first time, then my name is Felix, and today I'm going to review a website called 𝗓𝗏𝗂𝘁.com. And if you're here because you've been researching how to make money online using AI or game apps, filling out incomplete surveys, or looking for a side gig to supplement your income, or maybe even replace your full-time job, then you're on the right video and on the right channel. I'm here to make sure you're not getting scammed, you're not exposing your info to the wrong hands, or simply wasting your time or money. And we all know time is money and people do get scammed. So let's get into this. This is a relatively new website where you can earn money by playing games and completing surveys. The most notable part of this site is you're actually getting paid in real money and not points. You'll get paid directly to your PayPal account. So for example, you can earn $150 by playing a game, and it's right over here, okay? Or earn $200 by completing an offer right over here, okay? To sign up for 𝗓𝗏𝗂𝘁, you must be 18 years old or older and live in United States. And at this time, 𝗓𝗏𝗂𝘁 is only available to United States residents. To earn on 𝗓𝗏𝗂𝘁, you first need to set up and complete a valid United States profile. Remember, you must reside in United States and have a United States address to set up your profile. Once your profile is set up, you can then browse games, surveys, and apps, and app offers that interest you to start earning. Although before you sign up for any offers, you have to ensure that you have turned on tracking on your devices. You can even earn rewards by referring friends and family to 𝗓𝗏𝗂𝘁. Once you have earned a minimum of $10 in your account, you can request a withdrawal to your verified United States PayPal account or prize out account. All rewards applied to user accounts will have a pending period ranging from 1 day to 31 days to validate transactions with an average of 14 days. With the new account, you can cash out your earnings as soon as you have earned a minimum $10. If you have cashed out your earnings previously, you will need again to reach a minimum of $10 in your account in order to withdraw your earnings. Keep in mind that all rewards applied to your user account will have a pending period ranging from 1 to 31 days to validate transactions. Very important to remember. 𝗓𝗏𝗂𝘁 currently has 2 payment methods available to withdraw your 𝗓𝗏𝗂𝘁 earnings. The first option is to transfer your funds to a valid PayPal account in United States. The second option is prize out. You can withdraw your earnings onto a digital gift card for big brands like Apple, Target, Sephora, Amazon, and much more. If you have additional questions, I would recommend you go down to the bottom of this page to a frequently asked questions right over here. Okay, so if you click, you're going to see a whole slew of questions that people usually do ask, and most likely you will find all the answers that you are looking for. Okay, let's see what else. So Now I'd like to talk a bit about privacy and security of your information on this website. As I understand, whenever you proceed to any of the available offers or choose to play a game, be prepared to share your information, and sometimes they will ask you for things like your phone number and even your social security. Personally, I'm not too excited to divulge that kind of information on this kind of a website. Who knows what they're doing with it, and who knows who are they sharing this information with. Second, most likely I will not download any of these games on my phone, because most likely my phone is going to be tracked and I will get a lot of junk texts at the minimum. So I would not recommend you do that either. And the most important thing, and frankly, to me, the whole thing here, I will consider this a complete waste of time. Most likely, your daily income intake is going to be extremely minimal. When 𝗓𝗂𝘁𝘂𝘁 says you can withdraw your money only when you reach a threshold of $10, you better believe it's going to take you a long time to reach that threshold. And if you're willing to spend that kind of time to earn this little, then why not to learn to earn more and much more, and actually learn to become an online entrepreneur? So this takes me to the next topic of this video review, where I'd like to tell you about my favorite strategy that earns me $5,000 to $10,000 per month. I'd like to give this strategy to you absolutely at no charge. Just learn and apply. I will place the link for this strategy in the video description box under this video. Just click on the link and enter your information where you want it to be sent to, and I'll send it to you immediately. And as usual, if you like this video, hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, so you can get more videos like this. Until then, have a great day, and I'll see you on another video review. Bye-bye.